Hello and welcome. This tutorial is going to cover how to manage your sign-off records in your Client Admin Center. You can view signed-off lessons and compile many different safety lesson reports from here. From the dashboard, click on Safety Lessons to the left, and then select Training Records. This will show you all the lessons your employees have completed. Use the search boxes above each column to filter the safety lessons by employee name, topic of the lesson, date or date range, or additional information. You can use one or all of these columns at once. If there are multiple pages that need to be exported, change the record count from 10 to all by clicking the drop-down menu at the Show Number of Entries. To export lesson records to PDF, click the PDF button to the top of the list. And to export the lesson records into Excel, click the Excel button at the top left of the list as well.